Hi, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll continue my series where I make a video about every airplane ever built according to Wikipedia. Rules are in the first video, which is the one about the 3-eye sky arrow. Anyways, in this video, I'm going to tell you about the Rowley P-40F. Let's talk about it. The Rowley P-40F was an American home-built aircraft that was designed by Richard J. Rowley and marketed by his company, the 67th Fighter Squadron Inc. of Meadow Lake Airport, Colorado. First flown in 1986. Was 76, not 67. When it was available, the aircraft was supplied in the form of plans for amateur construction. The Rowley P-40F was a 3 out of 4 scale replica of the Second World War Curtiss P-40 Warhawk. The company 76th Fighter Squadron Incorporated was named after the 76th Fighter Squadron, formerly a Flying Tigers unit flying P-40s. The P-40F featured a cantilever low wing, a single seat enclosed cockpit under a sliding canopy, conventional landing gear, and a single engine in tractor configuration. The aircraft was capable of aerobatics. The aircraft's fuselage was made from welded 4130 steel tubing covered in sheet 2024 T3 aluminum. The 28 feet wingspan were made with spruce wood box spar with an aluminum front shear and had a wing area of 128 square feet. The acceptable power range was 95 to 125 horsepower, and the original engine used was a 100 horsepower 2SI-808, later replaced with a Rotax power plant. The P-40F prototype had an empty weight of 750 pounds and a gross weight of 1,200 pounds, giving a useful load of 450 pounds. With a full fuel of 22 US gallons, the payload of the pilot and baggage was 318 pounds. The standard day sea level no wind takeoff with a 100 horsepower engine was 800 feet. The landing roll was 700 feet. Now for some specifications other than the one we've already said. It had a length of 23 feet. It had a height of 8 feet. It had a wingspan of 28 feet. It had a wing area of 125 square feet. It had one seat. It had an empty weight of 749 pounds. It had a gross weight of 1,205 pounds. It had a fuel capacity of 22 gallons. Now that is enough for specifications. And that's all. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.